Hello everyone and welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to cancel auto renewal on Glo using Ussd. Now you can use the Ussd menu to cancel the data renewal features on Glo by following the following steps. The first thing you need to do is open up your dialer or keypad and type *777# and you send. Don't forget to do it on the mobile phone with your Glo line. Then you navigate through the main menu options until you see data services. Then you find the option for manage data or data plan auto renewal and select cancel auto renewal and confirm your choice. You will then receive a confirmation SMS from Glo on the successful cancellation. It is as simple as that. Now, you must know something. When you cancel auto renewal on Glo, you can still use the data until the current plan expires. Then you must subscribe to a new plan, as the subscription will not be automatically renewed. In the event of opting out of your auto renewal on Glo, you must manually renew your data plan when it expires. So it is imperative for you to monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected charges. You will not receive a refund for your unused data if you cancel the auto renewal service on Glo before your current data plan ends. Therefore, you must plan accordingly to avoid losing your current data to an impulsive decision. Also, do not cancel auto renewal close to the renewal date. You may be charged for the next data subscription cycle if you cancel auto renewal on the plan's renewal date. Therefore, it is better to cancel auto renewal at least 24 hours before the plan's expiry date. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.